Hey guys, Brian Lovett here with Lovett Properties, bringing you another listing this week that is in the coveted Brookhaven community. How many of you guys are looking for a completely renovated home minutes from Crabtree Valley Mall, minutes from Olmsted National Park? I mean, all of the outdoor living and shopping convenience that you could want. This home has a new roof, completely renovated on the inside, new landscaping, and we'll be going active at $424,500. I can't wait for you to see it. Goes active this week, showings begin Saturday, and we'll have it open Saturday and Sunday. If you have any questions whatsoever, let us know. We will be here for you. Have a great rest of your week. We'll see you this weekend.